I'm EGGBERT, and this is our Khai Island video.
Seriously, guys, we're going to tell you about an island that's 30 minutes from Phuket. Blue, crystal clear water, great snorkeling, fantastic for kids, and available all year round in today's video.
Yay! Well done, Shaun. Good intro. Right, Miguel, do your stuff.
Hi guys, Shaun here from 5-Star Marine with the jokester Jay.
What? No, I'm Jay, not just
Are
Jay
you
today.
expert today?
I am a EGGBERT today, and I'm excited about this cracking video, Shaun.
This is hilarious. Look, here it's what I'm going to tell you is...
Oh, careful, you just clapped your hands, and Miguel... Oh,
He might cut.
yeah, he might cut, but we don't cut that bit, Miguel.
By the end of this video, you're going to hear about a crystal blue sea snorkeling area that's just 30 minutes from Phuket, where you can see sometimes, if you're lucky, like tippery sharks. You can see Nemo, and you can even do some fishing. You can go jet skiing. There's great somtam, all of that. And so let's get into it. And it's called, what's it called?
Oh, what? Hello, Khai Islands. Not just one island, though. There's 3 islands in the whole Khai Island setup type thing.
In this area.
Yes, look, Shaun, we've only got 2 of them on the map.
Apparently one of them is so small it doesn't show up on the map.
That's because one of them... Anyway, look, let's just so... What,
We should do the whole thing.
Yeah.
So
Explain the islands.
what happens like this is that you've contacted us, you inquire, you've booked your booking, and now you're ready to come on tour with us on the Khai Islands tour. What happens is our team texts you via a WhatsApp group to say your bus is there. You jump on the bus, you come to the office, and you meet your amazing guide who won't be Jay.
Yes!
That'll be more amazing than Jay.
It'll be... Hold on! Hello, I'm EGGBERT. I'm your guide for Khai Island.
Nothing won't be an egg.
Not EGGBERT.
It'll be a real person.
Okay, hello, I'm Jay. I'm going to be your guide, and we're going to Khai Islands. Why
Anyway,
Khai? We should explain EGGBERT and Khai, should we not?
Yeah. But firstly,
Oh, okay. Yes.
It'll be one of our experienced guides who are out in the sea every single day.
What, not me then?
Yes.
Okay.
Doing this every single day as a job, and they will be there to customize your tour. That's the key.
Well, you might like scrambled, you might like poached, you might like sunny side
This is
up.
a very good analogy.
It's clever, isn't it?
Clever.
You
Smart
might
man.
like hard boiled. Some people like soft boiled. Are you a soft boiled or a hard boiled? Do you like dippy soldiers? You're
Actually,
Australian.
I'm a scrambled.
You're scrambled,
With
but
a
you
little
have
bit of pepper.
yeah, but
Yeah.
Runny scrambled or dry
Slightly
scrambled.
runny, and if I
Okay.
can, a bit of cheese in there.
Oh, a little bit of cheese,
Yeah.
a bit of cheddar. Nice.
Anyway, so your guide will meet you. They're going to bring you to this map, and they're going to start talking about the tour. Before they do that, though, they're going to let you go and explore inside.
Welcome to our buffet breakfast stroke lunch, depending on what time you arrive. We have water, that's nice, orange juice, apple juice, milk, and here is the fun part. Now in here, have you ever heard of that very, very posh coffee where I think it's a civet animal, he eats it, it goes through his digestive tract and he poos it out and it's very expensive? Well, this isn't that. It is just, bleep this Miguel, coffee. Then we have nice tea, there's water. Oh, seasick tablets, only take 1. If you take 2, you'll be asleep. And then we have some jam, we have some fruit, bananas, some sweeties, some very sugary cereal, but I do like a Fruit Loop, that's for sure. And then there's some cookies, some marshmallows, some bread, and if you put it in the toaster, guess what? You get toast. And then there's some croissants and some pain au chocolats. They're my favourite. There you go. That's a breakfast, isn't it, Shaun? Is it nice?
Honestly, I've never eaten it, but I'm real worried about my egg.
Don't worry about EGGBERT, he's okay. Right, back to the movie.
So,
That was a good bit, wasn't it, Shaun?
don't drink the coffee.
No. Well, I told him that already. Twice.
Now let's talk about, before we talk about the tour, what's on the boat. We do have an entire boat walkthrough video that Jay did.
Many of them.
Lots of people laughing at them.
Yes.
I think we've got about 4 or 5 of them by now.
Hundreds of them, Shaun, because you make me do them every other week. So we have life jackets, we have snorkeling gear if you need it. We've got tubes, glasses, and the things that go on your feet to make you go faster and stuff.
But hint here, if you've got kids, don't put the things that go on the feet. kids don't need them.
No. We also have those, what are they called? I'm not one doing there.
Noodles.
Noodles.
Yes.
Yeah, big long blue noodles you can take with you. They're really good because they help you float. We've also got an ice box, or eskies I like to call it, and I'm not being racist to Inuit people, I'm not, you know. An ice box, it's got water and soft drinks, and there is a toilet on board. It is a small toilet, but it is there if you need it.
Yes.
Good.
On our pier, we have a toilet, so if you're the person
It's a bigger toilet.
If you like to plan your toilet stops, toilet on the pier and Khai Islands have toilets as well.
That's right.
So let's talk about the tour. So I'm going to act like the guide.
Oh, you're the guide now?
And you act like the client.
Okay.
But let me first, client.
Yes.
Today,
Yes.
what are you expecting? What would you like to do today?
I would like to go snorkeling at a very nice tropical sandy beach, but I'm not very good at snorkeling, so I'd like to just experience it by walking in from the beach, if that's necessarily okay. But also I'd like to have a place where I can get some food and drink as well. Thanks very much.
Perfect, Mr. J. He's a great client, isn't he? If we had clients like him every day, it would be perfect.
Yeah, not like... Oh, I shouldn't say that one. No, carry on. Go.
So, Jay, what we could do is
Yes.
we're going to be here right now at Phuket Boat Lagoon.
Okay.
And we can go straight out to Khai Nok.
How long does it take?
It's going to take about 30 minutes to go to
How many
Nok.
Khai Islands are there?
There are actually 3.
There's 3. Can we go to all 3?
We can do all 3, but you asked to snorkel from the beach.
Yes.
So I think this morning, because of the tide,
Yes.
we're going to go to Khai Nok.
Just stop. See, what Shaun's done there is he's mentioned the tide. So our guides know what the tide's like, and certain islands are better at certain tide times. Hence why Shaun mentioned the tide.
This is fun. So we're going to bring out the boat. We're going to back the boat up to a floating pier. You're going to come down. We're taking snorkeling gear.
Sorry, I just said a terrible joke in my head and I'm just holding it back. Yes, okay, carry on.
We're going to go on the beach.
On the beach.
And I'm going to show you how to put your mask and snorkel on. We're going to walk
You
in.
don't need to far too much detail.
No, I'm going to walk in.
No, but this
and
video
put
is
your
going to be
head
about
in.
18 hours long.
And then you're going to snorkel a bit. Then after that, because you asked for a nice lunch,
Yes, I wanted to nice. I love somtams, my favourite lunch.
we could either do lunch at Khai Nok,
Yes?
or we could do lunch at Khai Nai.
Let's go to Khai Nai. What does knock
Or-
and nai mean, Shaun? Oh, sorry, there's an or bit.
Or we could take you to the Michelin recommended floating restaurant.
Well, I'm not ready for. I want to do a little bit more snorkeling. I don't want to go from Khai, then go to a restaurant, and then back to Khai again snorkeling. So I think I would prefer to do my Khai experience. But I want to know, what does knock and nai mean?
No idea.
You do know.
Nai.
Should we get a type? Hold on. Someone!
One eternity later.
We don't know what it means.
Sometimes we just need a little bit of Thai help. Someone, stand here.
Well, what does Khai Nok and Khai Nai mean? What's the translation of Nok and Nai?
Inside and outside.
Inside and outside. And what about Nui? Is it Nui? Khai Nui?
Small.
Inside, outside, it is small. Inside, outside, it is small.
Yeah, you should know small.
You can go now.
Your ex-wife would have said that a lot.
Don't. My ex-wife turned up this morning at my house. Anyway, that's a whole other story. So, you've got different islands. Now, there are 3 different islands. 2 of them, Nai and Nok, are tropical beaches, and you can get off and actually wander around. You can snorkel straight from the beach. The other one, what did you say? Nui?
Has snorkeling only from the boat.
That's right.
But actually, all 3 locations, we can snorkel from the boat. And again, it's private tour. If you want to snorkel every location, you can snorkel every location. If you just want to snorkel only one location, you snorkel only one location. If you want to go only on the beach or whatever you want, you ask for it, we'll give it to you.
And here are the top tips about Khai. We're going on about it because Khai is actually a really good place, especially if you've got family, small kids, and you don't want to go too far from Phuket. You don't want to travel too far. It is a perfect location because you get great snorkeling.
Also, it's protected.
It is protected.
It's not outside open sea.
Protected.
So meaning,
Hey, look, it's protected like a shell of an egg.
so we're going to go faster because we're going to finish this video. We promised them blue water and we're
and we've got people turn up, so go quickly.
Anyway, so as I said, it's the Khai Islands. There's 3 of them. If you like, we can add on Rang. You can even go to Koh Phair.
You could have a pina colada at Rang, couldn't you?
This is all with your guide who would do the customization. Once you finish the tour,
We're rushing this bit.
yes, once you finish the tour, you end up back here, jump on the bus, get on home, and have a great time and leave us a 5-star review.
Is that it?
That's it.
Yeah,
Oh,
you've
we've
really.
got people here.
I know we've got people here. We've got to go.
Right now.
Anyway, there you go. That's the Khai Islands. Seriously, it is a great family destination. It's not far from Phuket.
Only tip, go in the morning, about 2:30 p.m. Khai Islands gets crazy busy, so we want to get out of there before 2:30 p.m. that's a guide tip for you.
And also another guide tip is a guide will do, but Shaun did mention the tide earlier, but it is quite important. If it's really, really high tide, you don't get much beach at some of them. So the guide will manage it for you. That's why we offer private tours, because we can bespoke them just for you. Good day.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Shaun. Hold on, I'll let Egbert finish it off, shall I? Okay. Thank you for... Oh, his voice has gone different. Thank you for watching the Khai Island tour here at 5-Star Marine. Please like and subscribe and comment below if you have any questions. It's exciting! Do you know what? Smash!
Oh, you just smashed them.
Bye, Egbert. Sad day at 5-Star Marine. Poor Egbert in his first video and his last video. Sorry, Egbert. Hello, I'm Egbert, and you're about to watch a video all about my island. Yay! It's gonna be exciting! Ha ha!